It's now up to a judge to decide the punishment for the teenager who admitted to the Noblesville school shooting.
Now, that teen appeared in juvenile court today, and that hearing is giving us a lot of new details about that shooting back in May and the hours that led up to it.
The 13-year-old admitted guilt on all the counts against him. Police testified about his online history, saying he had searched for the blueprints of the school and also details about other school shootings. He also texted 3 of his friends, warning them not to come to school that day. Those 3 students still did go to school that day and did not report the text to police.
The teen wrote a statement for his attorney to read, including an apology to the 2 people who were shot in the incident. That includes teacher Jason Seaman and the classmate of the shooter, Ella Whistler. The statement says in part, quote, "I can't explain why I did what I did. I know what I did was terrible and maybe unforgivable. I'm ashamed about what I did."
Now, Seaman was in court today. Whistler was not. Her parents say she never again wants to be in the same room with the boy who shot her. Seaman testified about the school training that helped him prepare to stop the shooter and the impact that this has had on his life. Both are asking for the maximum sentence in this case. Now, as soon as the judge makes a decision in this case, we'll send you a notification on the WTHR app.
Meantime, tonight in Noblesville, now parents are coming together and they're reacting to what came out of that hearing today.
David McAnally spoke to one who says the details prove the district has to do more to keep students safe.
Monday's Hamilton County courtroom drama really opened the eyes of parents seeking safer schools.
I learned clearly that my son and the children of a lot of friends and neighbors here in the community were in a lot of danger.
The gunman, he said, clearly had a bigger agenda, beyond shooting classmate Ella Whistler and teacher Jason Seaman, who heroically brought the attack to an end.
For the first time today, we learned definitively that, in fact, he had plans to do as much harm as he possibly could to as many people as he possibly could.
The frightening details aired in court Monday, like the video the suspect made showing off guns just hours before the shooting, saying, "I can't wait."
It really confirmed some things that a lot of parents in our group have been thinking about for a long time, which is that firearms are too easy to access in Indiana for people who should not have them, particularly children.
Steve Rogers has a daughter now at West Middle School. He and other concerned parents formed Noblesville Stands Together to lobby for law changes now to prevent another tragedy later.
If you read the testimony of the parents, they say that they taught gun safety to the child. They believe that they were responsible gun owners, and unfortunately, they weren't responsible enough.
The group says gun owners need to be held responsible for safely and securely storing guns to keep them out of kids' hands. And they back a referendum on the ballot Tuesday to fund more school building security and fund mental health programs to diagnose troubled kids before a school shooting.
We certainly hope that the governor and the legislature will be bold and kind of change the debate that we've been having on guns, which hasn't been very productive.
He says he knows that some of the things that are on the safety agenda, the parents, they know that these are expensive items, especially the mental health component, but they say that doing nothing is a lot more costly than doing something.
Yeah, and we'll see what happens when the vote's taken tomorrow.
Yes.
Thank you, David. And if you want to know more about today's court hearing, we've posted a detailed breakdown at WTHR.com. There you can read testimony from Jason Seaman, the Whistler family, and apologies from both the shooter and his mother.